Hi, my name is Vanessa Alvaradejo. I'm a practical nurse student and I'm from Mexico.
My name is Chio. I'm from Nigeria and I'm taking systems management and cybersecurity.
Hi, my name is Blessing Oshoba. I'm a student of Oulton College.
My name is Ryan and I'm an international student from Pakistan and I'm taking systems management and cybersecurity at Oulton College.
Hello, my name is Mary Kroprobo. The experience has been wonderful. The environment is friendly. The instructors are professional. It's been an amazing journey all along.
So far, I'm enjoying Canada. The people here is really welcoming.
When I learned that it was going to be online 8 hours classes, and when I saw the schedule 4 hours online first term in the morning and 4 hours in the afternoon, that really I really felt good because I was not going to be exhausted doing such classes. And the fun part was, the best part was, online classes are recorded for ourselves so we can watch it later, and that was really good.
My overall experience with the colleges has been it's excellent.
I want to shout out to the entire instructors of Oulton College and the Oulton College as a whole. Thank you for giving me the opportunity.
I have not set any boundaries on my future. I have very high career aspirations, and I'm sure learning everything so far that I've learned at Oulton College is going to take me far in that route.
If you are international, I can assure you that even if it's scary, start learning in another language, the instructors help you always to make sure that you are understanding everything. So yeah, you should definitely try it.